How to sell on eBay. Hello, welcome and thank you for choosing this video course. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to sell on eBay by firstly coming up with your own list of items, followed by how to wrap up the sales with your buyer. Next comes the part where you can officially start working around with your eBay store. When it comes to listing your items, the listing format should appear automatically in your store and can be developed using the standard eBay listing form, Turbo Lister, Selling Manager Pro, or in this case, you should have your Selling Manager, which is subscribed to if you refer to Chapter 2. To create a listing, you're required to provide your item's title, description, price, and shipping and payment information. To make your listing even more interactive while reducing the time you spend answering questions, you can add pictures covering all the essential angles of the item and standardize your post format. 1. Get started. Click Sell at the top of most eBay pages. 2. Create your listing. Depending on your item and how you choose to list it, you may have different options. Write a good title and description. By providing a title that's clear, complete, and descriptive, it helps buyers to clearly understand the item that you're currently selling. If necessary, state exactly what the item is, even if it repeats the category name. Any detail such as the brand, product name, size, or artist is essential to be included in your item's description. Provide item specifics. There are certain categories where you have the option of selecting the item specifics. By providing extra item details, it will make it even more convenient for buyers to find your item. Take, for instance, an item specific is the condition of the item. Moreover, these specifics can be included in your Q&A. Specify the condition of the item. When it comes to specifying the condition of the item, the details may vary depending on the item's category, but accurately describing your item gives buyers confidence that they will get the item they want. Include product details from our catalog. In eBay, most of the items that are commonly sold have standard photos and product details for you to use. If you opted to use their product photos and details, it may save you time from conducting further research as well as taking photos of the product. Add pictures to your listing. When it comes to adding pictures into your listing, it is best to use high-quality pictures with various angles to gain your buyer's interest. Select a selling format. You can either choose from auction style, fixed price, or classified ad formats. With auction style listings, you receive bids on your item and sell to the highest bidder. You can even include a buy it now price, which lets the buyer purchase the item before the listing's end date. With fixed price listings, you can list your items at a set price where buyers can purchase right away. Whereas for classified ads, you can advertise on eBay just as you'd use a traditional classified advert. You can even state a price followed by the buyer contacting you, and you can handle the transaction personally. Choose a starting price. This includes understanding pricing options to help you get the price you want for your item. Most buyers are looking for great selection at a great price. As buyers often search for items that have a low combined price and shipping charge, you should consider both of these factors carefully. Moreover, by setting fair online pricing, keeping your seller rating high, and offering a fair price for shipping will get your items more visible through the default search method, which is Best Match. There are sellers who choose to price their items low to increase search visibility and at the same time set a reserve, which means they'll get a fair value when the item sells. Select a listing duration. Most auction-style listings last 7 days, while the duration of more than 7 days can incur a fee and change some upgrade and insertion fees. You can also schedule your listing to start at a specific time. Select the payment methods you'll accept. For community safety, PayPal or Internet Merchant credit card payment options are required in most categories, while these methods made it easy for your buyer to pay you right away so you can ship the item faster. Specify your shipping costs and locations. You can charge a flat cost to all buyers or calculate shipping costs based on the item you're selling and the buyer's location, or you can offer free shipping to attract more potential buyers. Moreover, you can also offer local pickup to buyers who live near you. Specify your return policy. All sellers on eBay are required to specify a return policy, whether they accept returns or not. Buyers are more comfortable shopping with sellers who have clear return policies. If you accept returns, a buyer can return an item for any reason, even if they change their mind about a purchase. This is absolutely true as long as the return meets your return requirements. Promote your item with listing upgrades. Listing upgrades such as using a subtitle can help your listing stand out. 3. Preview your listing. You can preview and edit your listing on the review page. Click the Preview Your Listing link to see how your listing will appear. Click the Edit link if you'd like to change something. 4. List your item. When you're ready, click List to post your listing on eBay. When it comes to handling the final sale, it depends entirely on how you persuade and convince your customer while getting good feedback. Communicate with your buyer. With eBay Checkout, you will be notified by email from eBay when the buyer has completed a checkout. eBay Checkout essentially lets your buyers send you an electronic payment right after your listing ends. Receive payment. Before shipping the item to the buyer, make sure the buyer has paid you and that the payment has been accepted and credited to your eBay account. If you're listed in a category that lets you accept checks, make sure the check has cleared the bank. Ship the item to the buyer safely and on time. Pack up the item as securely as possible and make sure the shipment information is correct and includes your return address. If you create your shipping label and packing slip on eBay, you can use a free carrier pickup, which is only available with orders that include priority mail or for a small on-demand fee, which saves you time heading to the post office. Leave your buyer feedback. Lastly, your feedback about your buyer is significant for other sellers, as feedback represents your reputation as an eBay member, which is made up of comments and ratings.